Hey folks, welcome to my channel. It's Vageline here, your favorite wig influencer. If I ain't, hopefully I will be. In today's video, we are going to go ahead and review this thing right here. If you happen to be new here, make sure you watch this video all the way through. Give this video a thumbs up if you happen to like what you see. But if you've been here and you already know what we're about to do, let's go ahead and get into Who's That Girl. You can watch me put this one all the way together. And also at the end of this video, I have a giveaway that I'm doing. So watch this video to the end to get all the information about that, okay? Alright folks, let's go. So let's go ahead and get into this wig. Now this is a Dashly collection wig. She's the unit number 20. I got her in the color Balayage Chocolate. She comes in a different array of colors like Balayage Gold, Mocha, Brown, and Copper Pumpkin, which I think would probably be a super duper cute color. This is what she looks like straight out the box. Very bouncy, very curly. Her texture is kind of a little bit on a yucky side. She comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and an adjustable elastic band. She is also an essential addition to your wig stash, ready to wear styles, made with heat protecting fiber, available of course in fashion forward colors, and you can dress her up and you can dress her down. That's pretty much all that is. Oh, and she's also a full cap wig, so you don't have to worry about any lace, cutting, gluing, or anything. You literally just pull her, put her on, and style her to the way that you want to style her. First impressions on this wig, she is absolutely cute. You can go ahead and use a little bit of mousse when you're trying to pull out the curls. I did not do that, and looking back on this video, I probably should have. She would have looked a lot put together, but other than that, she is adorable. Okay, so giveaway time. I realized at the end of the video I didn't really talk much about, I was so excited about the wig, I didn't talk about what the giveaway rules are. So it's going to be simple. Make sure that you're one of my subscribers, you like this video, comment momo and why you like wearing synthetic wigs. Once I hit 2,000 subscribers, I will go ahead and put all the names under this video into a Ferris wheel type of thingy or whatever, and then whoever gets picked will win this wig in this Balayage Chocolate, as well as the muumuu that I have on with a bunch of different things. So yes, that is pretty much the giveaway. So make sure you comment down below, and yeah, join this giveaway. Now I'm just gonna let the rest of this video play out. I'm literally just teasing the heck out of this wig, cutting to frame it to my face, even though honestly I didn't have to cut and I probably should have left it alone, but you can cut it to your face and make it yours. Okay, now that I put her all the way together and I gave you all her sneaky deaky details, I'm gonna go ahead and give you pros and cons on this wig. We're gonna start with the pros. First of all, I look cute. I looks cute, okay? I love this wig. First of all, it's a throw on and go, and you already know how I love my throw ons and goes. Secondly, she's a big, curly, beautiful wig that is definitely making a statement anywhere you decide to go. I don't care if it's church, I don't care if it's a concert, wherever. You're making a statement with Miss Thing. She is adorable. Okay, she's definitely a big head friendly. She didn't shed, but she probably will tangle because she's a synthetic unit. You know how that goes. Let me go ahead and show you what she looks like in the back. Now this unit is full. She's curly, she's bouncy. Woo! Right there, that's it right there for me. Look at that. That that was it right there. She's full, she's bouncy, she's beautiful. I mean, you cannot go wrong with this wig. Now, granted, can you cut it some more to frame to your face? You can. Can you tease it some more to make it look a lot more bigger? You can. I like her the way that I styled her. Plus, I'm planning on wearing her to an event maybe next month. So I don't want to tease her too much. But if you know, you know. The longer you wear your synthetic wigs, the more natural she will look. So you can go about teasing her some more to get her to look a little bit more natural or a little bit more worn out, if that makes sense. The only con, honestly, that I would have with her is the fact that she is a full cap wig. I wish she was a little bit more universal, because baby, that flip, ooh, that flip would be a moment. But she's not. So this is the style, and for her price, she was affordable. She was under $20, I want to say. I can't remember, maybe 24. I actually really do adore this balayage chocolate. Like, she is just, against my melanin skin, she that girl. She that girl. Other than that, this wig is giving. She's giving all types of looks. She is giving all types of looks. Like, she really is giving me rich auntie. I don't really do anything. My man pays for everybody to do A, B, and C for me, even though I wish that was the case, but it's not. Yeah, she's cute. This video is going to be short because literally put on and go. And I just put this on and now I'm about to go. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like I said in the beginning, I will be having a giveaway once I hit 2,000 subscribers, which I think I am at. I think I have probably like 15 more people to subscribe to my channel, and then I will be able to get to 2,000 subscribers. So, ooh, yay me. It's been a long journey. I've been on this YouTube thing for way too long to just have 2,000 subscribers. But, like I said before, slow and steady wins the race. I get there when I get there. In the meantime, I'm just hoping you guys are enjoying my content and these wigs that I'm showing you. I'm showing you guys what can look good on you because it looks good on me. That's it. But you do not have to buy all these wigs. I don't suggest that you buy all these wigs. But yes, she's definitely one of the wigs you need in your collection. By the way, the giveaway will include this momo as well. She is so cute. I like her. I probably, am I going to show the whole thing? I don't even know. But she's a cute little short little momo, which is so cute. Plus the hair and maybe some accessories in the box as well, depending on how I feel. Because you know how I like my momos, and I want you to like your momos too. So it's that. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please stay tuned for my next video. And yeah, and I'll just see you guys later. Alright folks. Bye.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare.